To continue our discussion on exponent properties, we're going to look at power to a power and zero exponents now. For power to a power, you're going to have an exponent being raised to another exponent. If the base and exponent are being raised, you just simply multiply the exponents. So for example, we have x to the third being raised to the fourth power. Now, if I wanted to, you could write this out. X to the third to the fourth power, that means there's 4 of the x to the thirds. Okay, if we counted all those up, I have 3 x to the thirds, 3 x's here, 3 x's here, 3 x's here, 3 x's here. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So x to the third to the fourth power is the same as x to the 12. The shortcut, you just do x to the 3 times 4 power, and 3 times 4 also is 12. Right. You don't have to write it out, just multiply your exponents. For example number 2, we have a to the third, x to the fourth, both being raised to the fifth power. Since they are both inside the parentheses, you have to take both of your exponents and multiply them by 5. So it would look like, for just a shortcut, we would have a to the 3 times 5, x to the 4 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, so that means we have 15 a's. 4 times 5 is 20, so we have 20 x's. Here are a couple you tries. Go ahead and pause the video and do these two problems. So for the first one, we have x to the fifth raised to the sixth power, so shortcut. So as we're going to do x to the 5 times 6 would be 30. For the second one, we have x to the third, y squared, both being raised to the fourth power. So I want to do x to the 3 times 4, y to the 2 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8. So it's x to the 12th, y to the 8th. So if you have power to a power, an exponent being raised to an exponent, you just need to multiply those two exponents. Zero exponents, when a number or variable is raised to a 0 power, meaning there's 0 of them, it reduces to 1. So anytime a number is raised to the 0 power, it always reduces to just 1. X to the 0 power in simplified form is just 1. X to the third raised to the 0, we kind of have to work this out like we did the last couple problems. You have to do x to the third times 0. X to the third times 0 is 3 times 0 is 0. And anything raised to the 0 power reduces to 1.